A very good morning to everyone. Today discuss about the new chapter. Chapter name is physical education and sports for different level. This one is especially for the disability students. So first we discuss about what is adapted physical educations. Okay, so let's start. What is adapted physical education? So definition is that div- diversified the program of developmental activities, games, sports, and rhythm suited to the interest and capacities and limitations of students with disabilities who may not safely or successfully engage in unrestricted participation in the general physical education program, that is called as adapted physical education. And simple word I'm saying that it can be stated that adapted physical education is basically in specially designed physical education program for differently able students. Okay, this is called the adapted physical education. And next one I'm talking about the aim and objective of adapted physical education. So children with special type of disabilities such as mental uh, retardations, deafness or other hearing problems, speech problem, language problem, blindness, orthopedics impairment, autism, traumatic, uh, brain injuries, poor body mechanism, and health impairment, etc., have a right to develop their ability in a democratic society through the process of education. That is the aim of adapted physical education. So, democratic society wise processing should be there in this education. And next I'm talking about the objective of adapted physical education. Look at that, the objective. There are some points are there. So ensure the services to meet special needs. So the main as well as the foremost objectives of this adapted physical education is the ensure the definitely able students to provide with a special education service that meet his or her NQ or special need or appropriately. Okay, and develop the motor skills. Second one is motor skills are essentially for the performing not only the specific tasks but daily routine activity also. This skill enable the physically disabled student to become active and agile. Then enhance the self esteem and self image. In fact, all students can do activities according to their ability. A state goal for students, for example, to throw a ball 25 minutes. If they perform in easily after a certain period of time, their goal can be higher, set higher. If the goals set are realistic, then the students can achieve them by working on their motor skill, thus increasing their self-esteem and self-image. This is called the one objective. Ensure the participation of students in physical education program. This is very important in physical education program regularly at his or own level, and that the student is integrated into the regular education program wherever the possible. Okay, so it means that uh, another it means that adapted physical education is to ensure that each student's actively participate in physical education program regularly is our own level, and a student is integrated into the regular physical program wherever possible. Then improve the physical fitness. The improve the physical fitness definitely able to student another vital objective of adapted physical educations. In fact, the modify or adapted exercise are provided in the program of adapted physical educations in improve the physical fitness. Then motivate the students to protect themselves. The next important objectives of the adapted physical education to be motivate or definitely able to students to protect themselves under any condition that may aggravate through the certain physical activity. Next, promote the promote sportsmanship qualities. Participations in adapted physical education's program naturally improve the sportsmanship qualities. Okay, so it's the promote the sportsmanship quality among the different level of students, and also one of the major objectives of adapted physical education. Next, uh, develop the knowledge of good mechanics. The develop the knowledge of good mechanics, that is also importance of objective of adapted physical education. In fact, the adapted physical education helps each individual to develop the knowledge and sense of appreciations with a regard to good body mechanism. Okay, and improve the social adjustments. In fact, the social adjustments are essential for especially in today's society. So participants in program of adapted physical education helps the differently able students to make social adjustment. Okay, so this is for the objectives of adapted physical education. So next we are going to discuss about the integrated physical education. So already we have discussed about what is adapted physical education. Now discuss about the integrated physical education. So this is not for your part, that integrated physical education. So what is integrated physical education? So integrated physical education, that physical education is a comprehensive concept. Integrated physical education is a comprehensive concept. It is not only the limited of physical activity, games and sports, but has become a complete discipline. Okay, that is called the integrated physical education. So it means that it is not only the limited of physical activities, games and sports, but has become a complete discipline. In the past 2 decades, the knowledge of in this field has increased tremendously. Due to the research studies, the various subdisciplinaries have come into existence. These subdisciplines are sports sociology, sports biomechanics, sports medicine, sports pedagogy, exercise physiology, sports psychology, sports physiology, sports management, etc. Okay, integrated physical education lies emphasis on multidisciplinary learning with the integration of its subdisciplinaries. Okay, and next, about the integrated physical education provide opportunity for students to experience new relationship, to transfer what they have learned from one setting to next, and to reinforce learning in various ways. This is for the concept of this integrated physical education. And then the need is main thing is that they should have understanding to the understanding of the integration or interrelationship of this subdisciplinary. For example, the physical education teacher who is working in the area of fitness definitely needs expertise in sports exercise physiology to be able to evaluate the fitness level of participants, and even he may derive knowledge from sports psychology for motivating the individual to stick to their exercise program. Sports pedagogy may assist him in clearly explaining exercise and activity to be participate, and in educating them with the values to be derived from participation. So this knowledge in integrated physical education would be able to enhance the fitness, health and wellness all the individuals. High quality physical education program can be prepared with the help of integrated physical education. So this is called the concept of need of integrated physical education. Now I am talking about the concept of inculcation and needs and implementation. Okay, so need of inclusive education. Need and inclusive education. The inclusive education provide the protect training of real life, right? The term of inculcations used in the field of education, that is why it is called inclusive educations. Okay, so inclusive education means normal students and special needs students learn while sharing the some physical space and interacting social and academically. Okay, this is for the main concept of the inclusive educations. So, and need of inclusive educations, there is some need of inclusive education we are going to discuss. Need is this, uh, for self confidence. So research studies conducted in this field that indicate that after inclusion in the regular school, the student with disabilities have shown improvement in self-confidence. They display quality of self-efficiency. They develop the confidence in their ability to interact with one another and society in which they live. The better social skill and communication, next inclusive education, better social skill and communications. Here we'll say that they feel uh, uh, what did I say? I'm saying that as a matter of fact, the social skills are learned properly through the observation and limitations. Students with disability get a better understanding of the world around them. They feel exhilarate about being part of the regular community. The number of cases studies shows that children with autism demonstrate change in their social behavior while being with other students without disabilities. Their communication skill are improved a lot. So this is called the better social skill and communications. As means that inclusion education provide ample opportunity to have a better social relationship among the students with disability and without disability. Okay, and a greater sensitivity. It is usually observed that the students without disabilities become more sensitive, and by learning along with students with special need, and they understand how what can hurt. They practice patience and learn empathy. And then the better understanding the strength of weakness, the students with or without special need in inclusive schools learn that each and every individual has a strength as well as a weakness. They learn to appreciate this difference and the better sense of belongingness. Uh, Inclusive education, this is a better. This is education essential for having a better sense of belongingness among the students with or without special needs. It's a teacher and value of another human being, no matter what that person's look or sound like. Students with special needs enjoy the feeling of belongingness, being a love, having relationship or friendship with the students with special needs. Students without special needs also show increase the awareness of tolerance and better understanding the other students with special need. The last one is higher academic achievement. This is for the inclusive education, higher academic achievements. Higher academic achievement is beneficial for the students with the special needs because research studies conduct in this field so that these students have done academically well then in exclusive education. Okay, so this is for the concept in inclusion uh, and its need and implementations of educations. So today's up to this much. After that, I'll discuss about the next one, this role of various professional of helping the students with the special needs. This is the next part on discuss. Okay, thank you.